Hello! Today I will show you how you can add watercolor paper texture in your drawing. As you can see in here, let's look closer, there's nothing, but I want to make it more impressive. Now, firstly, I'm opening a new layer. Then I'm choosing my brush. I'm choosing soft pastel brush. The texture is like that. It's in sketching section. Now I'm choosing my color. It will be gray, but a light gray. This tone is good. Now I'm holding down here to just see this layer, and I'm making the page small, and I'm just doing like that. Yes, now I have my texture here. If you want, you can use this paper just like that, but I will do something more impressive. I'm duplicating it 2 times, and in the higher one, I'm doing the brightness lower. I need a darker paper. Then I'm choosing color dot. Yeah. The second one, the middle one, I'm choosing color burn. Then the last one, I'm choosing multiply. I'm opening all layers. It's better to making a group of them like that. Now you can see the difference. It's not so good for me. I'm just making the opposite of the layers a little bit down like that. Yes, it seems better. Color burn layer gives me more vibrant colors, and I can arrange it with the opposite of the layer. With color dodge layer, I'm arranging the brightness of the painting. You can see the difference in here. And the last one, my multiply layer, this is the main layer of my watercolor paper. If you want, you can only use this layer. If you don't need more bright or more vibrant colors. And it's done. Here you can see the watercolor paper texture. It's really super easy. Thank you for watching.